good people, welcome to Mora Creatives and Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to do scrap yourself clean green smoothie, and let's do it. In this video we need broccoli instead of leafy greens. We also need pineapple, strawberries, honey and coconut milk. This video you need a blender for you to have your juice ready. So put broccoli in the blender. Pineapple, broccoli contains high fiber which aids in digestion. It also prevents constipation. It maintains low blood sugars. It is great for weight loss. Strawberries are low in calories, highly nutritious, and a great source of nutrients like fiber, which give a great additional to weight loss dieting. Honey contains essential vitamins and hormones that also suppress appetite and aid in weight loss. Coconut milk is a source of healthy fats which promotes weight loss by decreasing the appetite and also increasing the energy. It has various enzymes that ensure proper digestion. So yummy! Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share.